Assalamualaikum friends, I was having issues with the Windows 11 in full screen mode. Whenever I tried to play in full screen mode, I was having a really low FPS and it was driving me crazy. I couldn't find a single solution on the internet, on Reddit, on Google. So there was a really quick fix that you can do, and you don't need to download any software. So let me just show you quickly. Go into settings and go into system, display, and go all the way down to graphics, and then click on change default graphic settings. Turn this option off. Trust me guys, if you turn this off, you're going to see a major improvement in full screen gaming mode if you are having issues, because I was having a terrible issue with the full screen gaming mode, and whenever I try to play in a borderless game, whenever I try to play in borderless option, it was running really good, but whenever I changed to full screen mode, I was having a really hard time trying to figure it out. I thought that my graphics card was broken, and I also thought that my HDMI cable was not good, but this option, this was the culprit. Just turn this off guys, and let me know if it fixed any issues with you. Comment down below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and sorry for my bad English, as it is not my native language. So thank you for watching guys. Allah Hafiz.